Where you going, Emma? There's Mama. Where's the kitchen?
Don't want to walk with Daddy.
There he is. Where'd he go?
There's a noodle. It's a cat.
Like slaps around, yeah.
I wish our house was a circle.
I think he's gone. There's Uncle. Say hi, Emma. Hi. Say hello.
You wave?
No wave.